This is a tutorial about the pattern contouring of your front and back bodice blocks. Here are the tools that we need, and in this illustration I will be referring to the standard measurements as mentioned on the fashion design book by Helen Joseph Armstrong. The principle of contouring is simply to eliminate any excess or any kind of gaping above, below, and between the bust and the shoulder, and just to give a garment a better fit. First, let us mark 3 inches from the bust point, and with the use of compass, draw the bust circle. Contour guide number 1 is simply drawn from the mid-neck down to the bust point, and this measures 1/4 of an inch, which is marked at the bust circle. We just connect it to the bust point and the neckline. And this is the contour guide, which is used to eliminate any gaping from the neckline. Contour guide number 2 is drawn from the shoulder tip to the bust point, and this measures 1/2 of an inch on the bust circle, and we just connect it to the bust point and back to the shoulder tip. This is the contour guide that we should use if we want to eliminate any gaping shown from the armhole. Next is contour guide number 3, and this is drawn below the armhole notch, and we just use 1/4 of an inch. This is to eliminate any excess fabric or any kind of gaping when we are going for strapless garments or any kind of cut out armhole. Next we have contour guide number 4, and if you have been watching my videos, you've seen me use and contour guides 4, 5, and 6. So for contour guide number 4, it has a standard measurement of 3/4 of an inch in total, so 3/8 on the left and 3/8 on the right, and this is to contour the underbust. But if you're going for a semi-fit design, we use a total of 3/8 in total. Next is contour guide number 5, which is to eliminate any gaping between the bust, and it measures a total of 3/4 of an inch, and this is drawn from the center front, and we connect it to the bust point. Contour guide number 6, and I will be using a violet pen for this, is actually a total of contour guides number 1, contour guide number 2, and 3 less 1/8 of an inch. So that gives us a total standard measurement of 7/8, and this is used for strapless designs and those with straps. Next, we have the use of side ease, and this is mainly used for the strapless designs and bra tops. The standard measurement for this is 1/2 inch, and we just blend it to the waist. And lastly, for the shoulder slope, this measures 1/8 inch, and it is used to eliminate any gaping at the shoulder for cutout neckline and armhole. Before we proceed on contouring the back bodice, if so far you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, Bobbin and Drew. I also commit to upload new contents every Sunday. So for the back bodice block, we actually have the contour guide number 7, which is to remove any excess for the strapless and cutout neck designs. Simply, we just draw a horizontal balance line just below the back shoulder dart, and we start to draw the waist dart up to this line. The back also has the side ease, which is the same measurement as the front, which is 1/2 inch, and we just blend it to the waist. And lastly, the shoulder slope for the back also measures the same as the front, which is 1/8 inch. So we just blend it to the shoulder tip and to the neck. And this is how you apply the contour guides on your front and back bodice patterns.